Just 11 days ago, I got active on Reddit again and started re engaging on the platform. I was commenting and posting, and I have amazing results to show you. In just a few days, I made a few posts but engaged in many communities through comments. I earned a lot of karma, let me show you. I got 31 followers, which is really great for Reddit, and 772 karma. I made only 62 contribution over the days. My account is already 1 year old, but I was not active for a long time. I just got active in the last 11 days and got these amazing results. I published this post on Reddit and got 55k views, 217 upvotes and 99% upvote ratio with 247 comments, as you can see. This is really impressive. On top of that, I generated leads for Reddit. I got many DMs and some are still pending in request. Another post got 41k views in and 225 upvotes and with 96% upvote ratio. Then another one got 77k views with 428 upvotes and 94% ratio. Even a comment I made got 5.4k views, as you can see. The audience is mostly from like United States, Canada and the United Kingdom, like mostly from tier 1 countries, right? You know, that is the majority of the audience from inside Reddit. If you comment on Reddit, then that will also boost your karma, right? Generate leads and connect with people. Like this is how many people build their businesses from Reddit. They engaged, make meaningful comments and post, right? And also get rewarded with traffic, leads and customers. You have seen solo entrepreneurs build apps and promote them through Reddit. It's not just for developers, right? Like those solo entrepreneurs, but also for marketers and affiliate marketers. If you want to promote a product, Reddit is the ideal place for validation and promotion. Real people with real problems are on Reddit. It is one of the best platforms to learn real things from real humans. Even if you use ChatGPT or Google search, right, you'll see that Google and ChatGPT prioritize Reddit discussions on the search pages. ChatGPT also scrape Reddit content, right? Why? Because it's a trusted source, right? If your post rank on Reddit, it gets engagement and it can also rank on Google. From there, you can get organic traffic and drive to your website. Okay, that is really the best way at the moment for organic traffic. So let me show you the simple method I used. I posted and commented on Reddit, earned karma and generated leads. I have made one sale, but I qualified other leads for the affiliate product I'm promoting. In the future, I also nurture them to make my customer. I use a simple opt-in page. I make a post and publish on Reddit and give a simple call to action like for people to DM me. When they did, I send them this form with the messages. If any new visitor come to this form, they can also check this form and they can understand there is a quick assessment, right, for them. When someone fills the form, as you can see, right, then they will enter the name and email address, then they'll start a quiz. Like there will be many questions that will be like, have you started an online business before? And they need to choose their answer. Then how much time can you spend learning one skill per week? The next, what interests you the most right now? And then we have, do you have any experience using AI tools for writing, right? What is the main goal for the next 3 months? These are the questions that will be asked in the quiz, right? That's simple question. After completing the quiz, they will see, thanks for completing your assessment. We are on our 7-day wait list. We will contact you within the next steps. Please check your inbox now and save the email address, right? This is a very simple opt-in page I created with this Claude AI, and the backend I use form query to collect the data, that is the opt-ins. Okay, it is built on simple HTML. On the last page, I recommend one product, wealthy affiliate. After that, I start email marketing. Inside my system.io CRM, you can see that I got total 49 leads from Reddit. When someone submit their email, they're tagged as a Reddit lead and added to the email campaign. If I go to the email campaigns, you can see that the open rates are really high. 45 emails sent, right, and 71 open rates, right, and 32 people open the email. That is really good for engagement. Okay, this builds authority in email marketing. Also increases the chance of landing in the primary folder. Okay, Reddit helps you getting this thing like leads, customer, and also increasing your email authority, right? Because from Reddit you find the people, they're hungry for solution, right? And you can give them what they need if you have the solution to provide them. That's why engagement is so high on Reddit. Okay, so now let me explain a little bit about the system. So I am using system.io with form query to handle the forms, and you can get started with the same setup, right? Okay, now let's get into this video where I will show you everything step by step. I'll be using a new Reddit account, not my current one, because the last time I revealed my account and I got suspended. I don't want to do that again. I hope you understand the privacy concern. I will show you as much as possible without risking my account. I already mentioned that I made one sale. So once the quiz is done, they will land on the thank you page. On this page, they will see the wealthy affiliate program as a recommendation which I am promoting. If I go to the wealthy affiliate dashboard, you can see that I made one sale while running the campaign. The sale happened on 17 August and the revenue was 135. That is what I was promoting. As you can see, it happened. Currently I stopped promoting it, so the clicks have gone down. I still get a few clicks but no new sales. So far I got one sale with total revenue of 158, right? It is because of the previous revenue as well. That is amazing, right? $135 of sales from Reddit. That is really amazing. Now I want to tell you something really important. In this video I can cover a lot, but to explain everything properly, YouTube is not enough. There are tactics and strategies that I cannot share here because they are my secrets and I cannot violate YouTube policies, right? So I am conducting a 3-day Reddit marketing challenge starting on 5th September. You will find the link to join this challenge in the description of this video. You can join the challenge and I will try my best to do it live. If it is not possible, you will definitely get recorded videos. Even if you join after September 5, you will find all recordings inside. We will also have a community where you can engage with each other. Everything will be done inside our free community. You just need to sign up for the challenge and it will start soon. I have everything ready to share with you. About the 3 days, I will cover everything from basics to advanced product validation, marketing, generating leads and sales, affiliate marketing and all other way of marketing. Even though I am covering a lot in this video, some strategies I cannot show here, like my personal profile. Okay, that's why I want only serious people to join this challenge. If you're watching this video after the September, you can still get the link in the description and watch everything later. Support and Q&A sessions will also be there, so you should definitely join and participate. It's going to be amazing. Now let's get started with this video. So I'm getting started with my new account. You can see that this is my new Reddit account created just 3 days ago. I did not publish anything. Why? Because I'm just observing now. I'm joining some subreddits and upvoting some posts without commenting. This is what Reddit wants you to do. Reddit wants you to be like a human. It doesn't like robotic activity. It literally hates that. You have to be human. That's the first thing you need to do. Why I'm saying this? Because I have my own experience with Reddit. I lost 2 Reddit accounts. Both were suspended for unusual activities. I automated my entire Reddit with Python scripts and it got suspended. The second account, I used to post AI generated post on my profile, and because of that my account got suspended, right? My other account. This is the reason why I say you have to be like a human. You will get rewarded if you be a human there. So for the first thing, you create a new account, right? Or if you already have a old account, that's really great. But if you are creating a new account, then make sure that is at least 3-5 old before you engage. That will be better for you. Okay, you will start by joining new subreddits and engaging in the communities, basically just upvoting. The next step is commenting. But before you do that, let me explain karma. Karma is really important. If you want to post something on Reddit, karma gives you authority. It shows that you are a contributor. The more karma you have, the better it shows that you are a great contributor. There are 2 types of karma: post karma and comment karma. You need to focus on earning more comment karma. That gives you more authority to post in many subreddit. Post karma you earn by posting on subreddit, and you can also get it from posting on your profile, right? But initially you should not post anything on your profile. You can start posting once you begin engaging in other subreddit communities and build your authority. Now let's talk about discovering subreddits. There are several ways. You can use search bar and search like anything topic like marketing, or you can go to the explore page, right? From there you can see all the subreddits recommended to you and start joining one by one. You can also use Reddit answers. If you ask there, right, you will find relevant answer and question and also subreddits. I have tried that and it works, right? And you can also use third-party tool like Gummy Search. Okay, since your account is new, you need to find small subreddit before you join big ones. For example, I have joined big subreddits, but I'm not engaging in them right now. I'm finding small subreddits. Okay, let's say I search for marketing here right now. Then you will see communities related to marketing. You will start joining them. For example, product marketing, right? You can see here has 19,000 members. That's a good number, not really big, so I can join it and start engaging. After joining, you can see what people are posting. If I filter from best to new, I can see how active the community is. I can see posts are being made and start engaging, right? Okay, and people are engaging there. For example, here is a post about positioning frameworks. I can simply upvote, and if it is relevant to my niche or my knowledge, I can comment. If I go to some big communities like ChatGPT, okay, if I go there and see all the best posts, okay, if I comment on them, I may get upvotes and earn karma. For example, this post is performing well. I open it and check which comments got the most engagement. Some top comments have more upvotes. Okay, if you want to be real and comment on your own, you have to go through the comments. It won't take much time, but if you want a summary to understand what are these comments in short time, then you can use ChatGPT to summarize and understand what you should reply. That is the fastest way. So one thing, note that we are human here. We're not robots. We have to be authentic here, real here, right? So we cannot just use AI to comment. So that's why you just need to copy all the discussions, right, and paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize. Then check which comments getting more upvotes. Create something similar but unique, not exactly the same but different, right? That way you will post it and you'll get more upvotes. Your focus is to get upvotes, so you have to align with what other members are saying. For example, if the comments are funny, you should also write something funny. If it is sarcastic, write something sarcastic. Simulate the sense so that like basically you have to act like others, like the way they are doing. Okay, those upvotes will earn you karma. That is the step I follow. Okay, I see what other people are commenting, even if my opinion is different. Maybe I see like something like in the post, right, my opinion is different, right, still I will still align with the community. That is my own way to earn karma, right? So this is how you do it. Copy, like first you need to copy the discussion, ask ChatGPT which one are getting more upvotes, and then create something similar but unique. Don't directly paste, then modify it, add your own words, make it your own comment. That's it. For example, here is how I do it. Okay, I will take the screenshot of this image post, right, and then paste into the ChatGPT. Then I will copy the discussions, right, all the comments, and paste to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give me the context and explain me what people are saying, and will show me what types of comment are working, right? For example, here you can see that in one thread there was a fake claim that Colombian baby was named ChatGPT. The title and the image made it look real, but the top comments revealed it was fake. The thread became a mix of fact-checking, debunking, right, humor, wordplay, jokes and sarcasm. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT is saying us. The most upvoted comments, right, are sarcastic and debunking. Most comment got 456 votes, upvotes, and quick debunking comments also got lots of upvotes. ChatGPT even give me example comments. For example, there is a comment it created: ChatGPT feels like a name and more like a error message that when AI crashes. That is funny and authentic, so I can use that and change it into my own words. I posted a similar one, right? As you can see, ChatGPT feels like a name more than like an error message you can get when AI hallucinates or crashes. I just added the word hallucinates here. So that is my first comment. It worked. So you have to so you have to find posts like that, posts that are performing well, check the comments, see what works, and make similar but unique comment. That is how you will build karma. Now let's talk about how to find some subreddits using Google search. You will simply go to Google and type site, right, then colon reddit.com, and then your topic, let's say marketing, then press enter, right? You can see here that we are getting subreddits like B2B marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, ask marketing, web marketing, right? You are getting all of this. Even on the second page you will get more subreddit. That is the second way to find subreddits, and these are all the steps you need to follow. You need to comment as well, you need to warm up your account, you need to upvote, you have to act like you human. You cannot use any AI or automation solution, right? So you will comment and gradually you'll build karma. You'll get upvotes from people. The goal here is to be aligned with how majority of the people are agreeing. Maybe you don't agree with some of the thoughts or comments, but you try to agree with most of the people. Look at the upvotes in the comment section. The more upvotes means the more agreement. So make similar kind of comments to get some growth. We are here for marketing, right? We want organic growth, so we have to follow this. If you are here for personal use and you just want hang out like you do on Instagram, liking your friends post, then it's okay. You can post anything. But if you are here for marketing, then you have to focus on earning karma, maintaining your karma record. Reddit will love you. Reddit will promote you because you are loving, people are loving you, right? Reddit will push your content to more people. That is the best thing you can do. That's all about joining subreddits and commenting. I could also show you my own account and more examples, but for that you need to join the challenge. There I can share everything openly. That will be better. I will see you in the challenge, right? Now, before I move on to the next step, I would like to say something. Once your profile is 3-4 days old, then for the next few days, 1 or 2 3 weeks, just comment. Don't post anything. Comment, upvote, and engage in discussions. If someone makes a comment, you can reply. If someone replies to your comment, you can reply back. This is how engagement happens. This way you will build some relationship with people. People will often see you in subreddits. That's how you will build relationship. You should make a profile name, like you should make a profile name that is memorable. For example, some names are not memorable. You have to make a name that people remember and post relevant comments. People in marketing communities will also be in the other subreddit. You have to present there. You use your own picture, like if possible. That makes you more real, more human, and gives better impressions. Once you have worked for 1 or 2 weeks or 1 month, right, commenting and posting, building your authority on Reddit, and earned some karma like 200 karma on comment and 1000 post karma, right, or total let's say 1000 karma, then it's time to promote. How do you promote? Mostly by putting valuable content, and also like keep like 20/80 ratio, right? Like 8 of your post can be valuable and 2 of your post can be like promotional. So you can just keep one post promotional, that is I will recommend. Okay, so posting in valuable comment in a community, like direct linking to your product and giving valuable tips that you can do. If someone looking for solutions, you can recommend your solution. You can create a document and recommend it, right? So that is a step you can follow. These are all the steps that are followed by most solopreneurs. If you see, right, many solopreneurs are getting their customers from Reddit, right? If you share your link, Redditors will come and start using your tool, right? Most of them post like advice seeking or like just link to their tool for just they want to audit their tool or any kind of thing. So in this way they get lots of users, right? These days people are building many AI tools and small tools and wrappers, right, and selling through organic marketing on Reddit. You will see many videos on a YouTube channel called Starter Story, right, about solopreneurs and one-person business. Most of them focus on Reddit. Reddit is really great for that. I would recommend you to promote this way. Right, I will discuss everything, but in this video I'm going to talk specifically about my method that worked for me. If you want me to cover, then I have to join, like you have to join the challenge, because there I can discuss everything. I cannot cover everything in this video, right? Now once you have lots of karma, right, comment karma, post karma, and you have built trust in certain communities like product marketing community or like any other marketing communities, right, now it's time to start promoting. Like small promotion first. Okay, first of all, you will see how the best creators are promoting, not creators, are Redditors. There are different ways I have observed, right? The first one is starting your growth. Let's say you are handling website SEO, right? Then you go to SEO groups, for example, R SEO, right? You will see posts like what is your most underrated SEO tip that actually worked and brought traffic. You can make posts like this. You can ask question. On top of that, you can also put your own work. When you ask a question, it builds curiosity. The moderators will not reject your post. They will accept it. Below your question, you can add your results. For example, add one image from your search results, right? Like your, like search console, right? Show that you have done, right, your results, right? Even if it's small, show some kind of results, any type of results that you have achieved, right, on social media, on doing any kind of work, right? Or even your journey, you're documenting your journey, you can share that. You will tell people what worked for you, and then you ask them what worked for them. Then you can add, I can audit your website, right, for the things that work for me. If you want me to show you, just DM me. That's how people will send you DMs, right? Or you can through comments. Like let's say our goal is now for this auditing website. Okay, from there you can create a complete scenario. You create a landing page and then educate them to convert into customers or clients. Those people already have website, they will need optimization. They have seen your result and now they want the same. Now for that, from posting to Reddit for as a website auditor, right, and getting people on DMs, right, we need some sort of landing page. Okay, I will show you how you can create landing page like me, right? So first of all, you need a prompt. Okay, so here this is the prompt that I have prepared for you, right? You can use it exactly. For example, I am using it for website audit just for this example. Now you can also edit it, right, and replace the placeholder. Okay, right, in the form, right, in the form, instead of forms free, I changed to form carry, right? For the product image URL, you can use SEMrush dashboard screenshot. Why? Because I'm here trying to promote SEMrush, right? Just as an example, you can replace the product that you want. Okay, so here it written SEMrush Pro, and email address is something like my own email address or just a dummy email address. Okay, and then waitlist is 3 days. You can adjust it on your own demand, right? Whatever you want to put. Okay, all the placeholder you can remove it and place the things that you want. Okay, right. Now when creating a form, I recommend form carry, or you can use your own webhook, right? Like annotated webhook, Zapier webhook, or make.com webhook. You can use any webhook, right? And you can also use web3 forms, right? Web3 gives you 150 submissions, which is good, but the free version has no Zapier integration. That is a problem. Form carry allows you to use multiple emails. You can even use temporary emails to create account, right? But you can also do the same with make.com. If you just create one webhook on make.com, you can transfer your leads that you got from the forms to your CRM, right? Okay, so what you need to do, you need to create an account on form carry, right? Okay, and once you've created your account, then you need to create a form, right? Just click on create a form, right? Then enter your name, then leave the rest empty. Okay, and then click on create. So as you can see, I have reached my limit, so I cannot show you that, right? But it's very easy to create, so you can create a form that will look like this, right? Open it and go to the setup, right? And like after going to the setup, then copy this link, then go to the prompt, right? Then go to the prompt and replace the placeholder with form carry link, right? Now about the image, you need a real image link. Okay, you can use publicly available image from Pixels, or you can upload to your system.io, or any your media library. You can update it and get the public link. Okay, make sure the link ends with JPG, PNG, or WebP, or any kind of like extension, right? Dot extension that supports. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Now in this case, I will copy a link from Pixel. I just go to Pixels and find one image link. Okay, and I'll simply copy the link and I'll come back to here and I'll simply paste in the prompt. Now everything is ready, right? It's time to execute the prompt. Now one thing, note that don't change the important part of the code here in the prompt, okay? Because it will break the redirect to your form, right? So now once it is done, just copy the prompt, entire prompt, okay? Then, right, I will go to the Claude. I'm using Claude Opus 4.1, right? If you are using the free version, you can use Claude Sonnet 4. If you want something cheaper with the more models like GPT-5 and Claude 4.1 Opus and all other models, then you can use Abacus AI, right? I'll drop the link in the description. Right, now paste the prompt into the Claude and hit enter. The landing page will be ready, okay, in a while. So meanwhile, while it's generating, I'll also go to system.io and make the form, right? I'm in system.io dashboard. Then I'll go to the sales funnels. Don't worry, I'm going to give you the page, right, link. I'll share with you so that you can make one click copy to your funnel dashboard, right? So that you can replicate it. Here you can see this one. This is my page I showed you previously. Now I'll just duplicate this one. Then I'll click on edit. I use raw HTML. Then I'll click on edit right inside this editor, okay? After that, I will delete the content. Now let's wait for Claude to create the code, not prompt but HTML, copy, HTML file. Now while Claude generates the code, let's go to Zapier and create an automation workflow for form carry and system.io. You'll go to Zapier and create an account if you don't already have one, right? Then you'll go to Zaps and you can create Zap by clicking here. Okay, you can see I already have one Zap here called form carry to system.io. It is turned off because I am using another Zapier account with the free version, not the paid one. What you need to do is to connect for your form carry. You will get API from form carry account, right? To find the API, to go to the integration. There you will see API. You create one API, right, and for Zapier, and copy it, right, and then go to Zapier, create a new connection between FormCarry and system.io and add FormCarry first, then system.io. right. Here I'm not showing everything because it is already created and it's really easy to create. Okay, now just open it and you will need to set up, right. In setup you will enter your API key and connect, then test it. After the test, your data will be sent to system.io to create a contact. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do, right? Okay, I have shown this type of setups in several in my videos. Like Zapier integration is not really difficult. You can also find it in other videos, right, in other YouTube videos. If you search for, you can definitely do it. If you want more, you can join the challenge, right, because I cannot cover everything in this video, otherwise it would be really long, right. Once you are done setting up FormCarry and system.io, next you need to go to create a tag. Go to your system.io account, to the dashboard, and create a tag. For example, in my CRM I created tags like Reddit course, Reddit leads. You can do the same. Now note important thing that you need the tag before you create this automation, okay, otherwise you will not find which tag to add. So that is the reason why before you do this integration inside Zapier, you must do this. You must create the tag before, right? After creating the tag, go to emails, then campaigns, okay, and create one campaign. For example, here I have a Reddit marketing campaign with 2 emails. Similarly, you can create your own campaign. It's really easy in system.io. That's what you need to do. Then you'll go back to Reddit. Once you are inside Reddit, you will create a post. Let's prepare something for our post, right? I'm not going to post it right now because this is a new account, okay. So how do you create a post? You will need to make similar to the posts that are already working in the community or subreddit, right? For example, you can share your real experience, ask questions, seek advice, or share tips. Let me show you one example. If I go to my Bing Webmaster account and check the search performance, I can show them the result. Look here, I got this much result in the last 3 months from Bing. Now I can ask the community, can anyone tell me if I can do any kind of improvement or what improvement I can do here? Right, I will take a screenshot of the performance, then I'll copy it. Next I'll go to ChatGPT, right, to create the post. Okay, I will paste the image in ChatGPT, then I'll use the dictate option to explain what I want to say. Okay, now I will dictate to ChatGPT. I want to create a Reddit post about this topic. My goal is to bring website audits. Entrepreneurs and small business owners who have website, after seeing my result, they should come to me, right? They should ask me that how I got results, search result, and how I can also achieve similar results for them, right? Basically my questions will be, right, how I can improve my results. So that is the question that I will ask in the community, okay, and that is what I can show from my Bing Webmaster account, like what will be their suggestions. Below that I would write, like what worked for me and what someone should do to reach this level, right? If someone want further discussion, right, if they can help me, that's good, and if they want me to help them, right, then they can definitely reach them in DMs so that I can see that if we can help each other, right? Or if you are someone who is not traffic on your website, I can also help you. The main goal here is to attract targeted people who will come to me for website audit, but I don't want to people look heavy promotion, right? It should look like I'm helping others. First I'm asking the question, then I'm sharing my tips, then I'm putting a small call to action so people can connect with me. That's the flow for the website audit post. Now look here, I have dictated, okay, and ChatGPT is processing. While it's processing and loading the transcript, I will switch to Claude. As you can see, Claude has created the quiz landing page. Let's check back ChatGPT to see how progress is happening. This is the transcript processed, right? I will enter it, and now ChatGPT will generate the improved version of the post. As you can see, it generated the post. It's nicely written, not highly formatted, but we can make more improvement. We won't include bullet points, right? We will make it more raw so Reddit doesn't think it's too polished. Reddit prefers raw human-like content, okay, and that's what we will do. So leave it here for the time being, right? Now I will go to Claude AI and copy the HTML code. I will paste it into system.io editor, right? Now everything looks okay. I will just save it. Now you can see that the entire structure of the system.io editor has changed. The structure has shifted a little, but it's fine. It's look good. I will save it again, right? Then I will test it, right? Now I will open it. Once it is open, right, what I will do, I will enter my name and email in the form, right, and start the website audit form, okay, the quiz. Okay, you can see here that new free website audit. This is a quick assessment, helps business owners and entrepreneurs identify optimization opportunities, technical issues, and so on, right? I will click start, and it asks me what type of business do you have. Like, then I will answer business site. Next, what is your main sources of traffic? Then I will select the next option and then complete it, right? Enter form one by one. Now you can see that we are on the final page. It says that thanks for completing your website audit. You are on 3-day waitlist. We will contact you with your personalized audit report. Please check your inbox. Okay, now one thing I realize here, that I should have collected the website URL, right, as well. That the mistake I made, but still, look at this. It's really good, really nice looking, right? The page is beautiful, the code highly optimized, and everything works. Okay, so that part is done. Now we can copy the link to the quiz page. Once that is ready, right, and I have suitable Reddit profile with some reputation in the community, right, I can post the post. Okay, the mods will see that the post is valuable and they will approve it. Now let's go to Reddit, okay, and create a post. So I'll just simply click on create and paste the title and text. For example, here I have pasted, right, I wanted to share something from my Bing Webmaster results, right? Okay, and then what I will do, once I'm pasting that, I'll remove the bold text and all this formatting to keep it raw, okay, because Reddit prefers raw style. I will remove the bullet points and other stuff. That's how you make the post. Once you are done, you add a flair and publish it. Then people will start DMing you, right? Maybe people will comment and engage with your post. They may upvote you, right? They will connect with you, and you can share your link and within the message and collect their email address, or you can share the link if they ask you in the comments. You can also use the same approach for product validation. Let's say you have a product idea, you create a landing page, share it, and ask people, what should I improve? What is this idea is good, right? What is your opinion on this product idea? Something like that, okay? There are many ways you can do this. These are the steps that I wanted to show you, right? That's all for the video, right? If you want to learn more in depth, right, every step, everything, I highly recommend joining the challenge. If you're watching this video later, right, when the challenge is over, but it is still will be available in recorded form, okay? So you can watch anytime. It's like a course. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Also see you in the challenge. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. I'm definitely going to answer them.